So these are the components that you need to change the oil for Dacia Logan 2 1.5 DCI, so it's diesel. So let's start with the oil. This is the one that you need, 5W30, and this is recommended by Renault. It's made by Renault, so the brand is called Elf. It's pretty standard. Okay, this is the oil filter. It's also an original component made by Renault, and basically what you need is this code. So this is the code for the component. So basically, if you want to get these components a bit cheaper, you can just order them online. So what you need to search is basically Dacia Logan 2 1.5 DCI oil filter, Renault, and you can also add the keyword as original, and most likely you will see pictures with the component, and it just needs to match this code. So this is the original component, the oil filter. Moving on, this is the, and by the way, let's take it out of the box. This is how it looks. It's saying made in France. Okay. Moving on, this is the diesel filter. Also, it's an original component made by Renault. And as the other component, the oil filter, this is the code. It's saying that it's made in Morocco. And basically, when you search on Google, you can just search Dacia Logan 2 diesel filter Renault original. And if you see this picture with this component, with this code, you need that, this is the one you need. So this is the code. There are no other markings on the box. And let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. Okay, and lastly the air filter. So this is an aftermarket air filter. It has here a code, but basically the air filters are not that important. So basically you can just Google Dacia Logan 2 1.5 DCI air filter and just buy the one that you find. It doesn't matter that much. You can check the reviews, but pretty much this is what you need. And let's see how it looks. This is how it looks. Most likely online you will find pictures, and it needs to look similar to this one. That's it. So these are the components: the oil filter, the diesel filter, and the air filter. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.